So we're going to take 2 candle holders of these. We're gonna use 2 of them. They have it in Dollar Tree and they have it in like in different colors. I just spray painted this one before, but they come like in white and black. So then just put some hot glue and attach them together just like that. Then after that, I took this plate, clear plate. I'm just gonna put some hot glue at the top of the candle holder, and then I'm gonna go ahead and place the plate on top just like that, you guys. I took some spray paint and I'm just gonna spray paint it in gold. You could do whatever color you would like. Then I took some fluorofoam. I'm just gonna cut it into a piece, and then I'm gonna take that same piece that I just cut just to measure to cut the others. So I'm just gonna cut it and then place it on my plate on top, and I'm gonna do like 4 pieces just to place it all the way around in the plate. After that, I'm gonna grab the hot glue and attach it into place like that. Then just take your hot glue and keep attaching it until you're done the whole thing. Then once you're done, take the bigger piece where you don't have to cut and just place it in the middle like that. Then I took the white flower and I'm gonna place it in the top one, the taller one, so one could be bigger than the other one. So I'm just gonna place the white one, and then at the bottom part, I'm gonna place the blue flowers. Here I'm using this flower. You could use whatever color you're doing on your decorations. So just continue attaching your flower until you're done. Then after you're done with that, I grab these little like branches, white branches, in gold. Just place it in the middle. Place the gold first, and then you're just gonna place the white one at the bottom like that. So then once you place the little branches like on top, just fix this and spread it out so it can look nice and cute. I took another plate, clear plate, and I'm gonna spray paint it in gold as well, like that. This plate is in Dollar Tree also. Then I took my hot glue and I'm just gonna place some hot glue around it and place the candle holder on top and the plate, and to attach it into place. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. This one is just the 2 plate and the leaves. I'm gonna show you another way that I did it as well, but this is the first look how cute it turns out. This like for a wedding, you could do any theme, any colors. I think it will look perfect on your wedding decorations. For the next DIY, I just grabbed this garland, crystal garland, and I'm just gonna place some hot glue at the top, and I'm going to attach it to the bottom of the plate like that. So you're just gonna continue attaching your garland all around it. Once you're done, I took my glass and I'm gonna place it on the top flower. Just fix your flowers all around it so the wet flower can stand out. Took my candle powder, I'm gonna place it inside, just fill it up all the way to the top, and put the candlestick in there. Then this is how beautiful it turns out, you guys. It is something so simple, so cute, and inexpensive that you guys can do for your next wedding or party decorations. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Please comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this DIY and which one is your favorite, the first one or the second one. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.